I know you said kanina that, your preparation is actually just the tip of the iceberg. Pero hindi nyo alam na matindi pala yung kakaharapin ninyo. Walk me through that 2 years na sinushoot nyo to.
Mahaba-habang kwento to,
Ano-
kuya.
ano
Ready
yung
ka ba?
pinaka-challenging na ginawa nyo?
Sa totoo lang, it's yung combination ng lahat. Pag pinagsama-sama mo siya. Yung action stunts kasi, to be honest, kuya, isa yun sa naging pinaka-challenging talaga sa akin. Because siguro nanggagaling din ako sa part na at first, I was probably comparing myself. Dahil sila ang gagaling na nilang mag-action eh. Ako, hindi ko siya strength. So, kinailangan ko talagang puspusin yung training, yung kahit na merong pinoprovide yung mga crew sa amin, kinailangan ko pang personally mag-training on my own because ayokong mapahiya, di ba? Ayoko na hindi ko din galingan. Gusto ko na pag nagsama-sama kaming apat, makikita mo na, ready silang apat. But aside from that, it's not even the action scenes eh. Kasi may enchant ka din, nagsasalita ka din, may emosyon ka din na iniisip mo. Also, yung mga outfits din namin, mga costume namin, nang ginagawa mo yan na iba't iba yung klima, kada araw, mahirap siya. But in totality, I think ang challenging talaga or the hard part is yung paano mo paniniwalain yung sarili mo na sangre ako. Because being a sangre, it goes beyond who we are. Dahil hindi mga tao ito, mga sangre. It's bigger than all of us. So, yung tindig mo pa lang, yung tayo mo pa lang, sangre ka ba talaga? Naniniwala ka na sangre ka? To me, it's that. I think nandun yung power ng Brillante itself. Na kapag...
So, pumapasok sa katawan.
Yes, na kapag suot mo na yung costume mo, ma-embody mo talaga. Ako, yung fearlessness at yung fire ni Flamara, nanggagaling siya kay Flamara mismo. It's not even faith anymore. Ganun pala siya. Yun yung magic ng Encantadia.
Every time we would be asked na ano ba yung naging mahirap, ano yung mahirap sa pagte-training ninyo, my personal answer to that is actually the training part was the easiest. Kasi yung pagte-training namin...
training pa na pamatay?
Yes. It was actually the
Easy
easiest,
pa pala yun,
kuya.
ah.
Because when you train, understood sa mga utak natin na pwede kaming magkamali doon because we're training. We have the freedom na magkamali because we are still learning the skills that we have to acquire for the series. And so the hardest part is not the training. It was actually the process to push through and finish the whole project.
Yeah.
And now that it brought us to where we are at this point, we are nothing but grateful,
Yes.
but nervous.
Nervous?
Nervous.
Sa dami ng ginawa
oh
mo,
yes.
Bianca.
Oh yes, kuya. Because this is Encantadia. It is not just any other project. And to be given the seats that we are seated in right now, walang humpay po na pasasalamat ang
You fought
meron
for that
kami.
seat.
We all did.